The keyboard of an Asus ZenBook becomes increasingly insensitive over time, usually well beyond the product's warranty. One proven solution involves adding thickness to the underside of each key in order to press the silicone bubble underneath it a little harder. 2 layers of adhesive aluminium tape work perfectly, providing a constant thickness throughout and sufficient rigidity to withstand many key presses. A leather punch is used to stamp out 164 confetti dots, plus a few spare. Each key is lifted, being careful not to damage the delicate scissor jack beneath it. While in there, any dirt or dust is brushed and blown away. By far, the most time-consuming aspect of the project is removing the backing paper from the aluminium tape. An aluminium dot is stuck to the underside of the key and burnished in place. A second dot is required to achieve the optimum height. The key is then replaced and tested. This process is repeated for every key on the keyboard and takes about 3 hours.